In Electude, you can make a copy of a predefined course, then modify it to form a new course. This reduces the amount of work required to make a course from start. To make a copy of a predefined course, first open the source course. Then click on the Copy Course button to make a copy of it. You can now rename the new course by clicking on the Edit Course button. Add some description if you want. Click on OK to save the changes. You can edit the course content by adding or removing modules to, or from the course. To remove a module from the course, click on the module. Then click on the cross button to remove it. To add a new module to the course, keep the course open in the Courses page. Then go to the Modules page. And drag the new module to the Courses tab and drop. The changes will be automatically saved.